No, no, no. I mean, yummy.
I was thinking noise.
These guys got kegs in the mast.
Oh! See if you can get on them then. Do we just shoot you off someone to get the notes and then turn back around?
Are these guys coming in for us? Or are they heading away?
They're heading away.
I think they're coming this way, Wolf.
Oh no,
Or
they're
are
going
they?
away.
No, they're heading. Why do they have sails? Look. Ah, it's because they're going sidewards. I was getting an optical illusion then.
This keg has feet.
Ah. So I can walk too?
Yeah. It might even blow itself up. This guy bringing another keg. The plan is in motion.
Yeah, he might be able to turn north a little bit more.
I just don't want to go into Plunder Valley.
No, that's what I mean. Go north and go around it that way. We've still got wind. And so you stay on that course,
Yeah,
Probably
just like
turn left a little bit.
There's rocks right there.
Is that no trouble? I can't see that from down there.
I did see some of the rock.
You've had treasure donated.
Wait, what?
We just had treasure donated, so I don't know whether Yomi's doing stuff.
I didn't get anything.
I'm not selling anything though.
No, I think
no,
when
no.
you're
Did you put
touching it.
something?
They sank.
You sunk
Really?
them?
Yeah.
Have you killed them?
2 of them. I don't know where the last. Oh, he's here.
If you kill him, we could just probably turn around. We could just sell there.
Yep.
You still have the flag though.
Yeah, true. Flag. Yeah.
They might have respawns as well. If I die here, then we can.
We're still a bit of a distance.
Where's Wanderers compared to me?
He got me. He got me.
Go north. Go north.
All 3 is here!
One's dead. Come back here, Bola!
There's a wild rose guy 1 tap in the water. I hit him 3 times with the sword at least, after I've hit him another 3 times.
I'm dead. Like, I'm getting sorted out of my mind.
We literally have no loot, so
Go for
you're
small.
not getting anything.
Well, it's part of the
Yeah.
fun to fight, you know?
I'm just making sure that ship's sunk.
Fun for us.
Anyways, thanks
I
for
did
the
put a
flag.
few
I can
hole-
sell that.
Wait, his name is Spoiler.
Bola, yeah.
Speaking of steel. Oh, I see something shining over here.
Wait, what?
Where?
At the tavern. I found it, I got it!
Nice.
Whereabouts, Wolf?
In the bush at the tavern.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Right behind it?
No, look, I can put it back where it was.
I know, I need to come over. Hang on.
It's like, here.
Hello,
I just
everyone.
thought I was
Hello,
gonna go
Seal.
back to get these 4 chain shits I saw earlier, and then I
Ah.
saw it shining here.
I was not expecting.
That's fine. I'm gonna sell this loot and switch servers, man. This server's a dud. Oh, hang on, there's a brigantine here.
Put nothing in.
Lots of
Oh, but
lead.
it does have something.
I was just telling him, we'll give you this little bit of loot. I know it's not much, but...
He's coming straight for us now.
Oh, is he?
Oh, he's turning. I think he's turning to
Ahoy,
shoot. Is he?
we're
Oh no, he
friendly.
is.
Let's form an alliance.
Prepare for ramming. Speed.
Dark Adventurer sales. Hey, what doing? You guys got microphones? Hello, good morning. That guy tried to sword lunge me from 47 1,000 miles away.
Hello?
Hello. Hi. How are you?
No
Is-
freaking way, my dude.
Who's that?
Oh, it's bloody Beardageddon.
Wait, what?
Kidding. Ask him.
Hello?
Beardageddon.
Is that Beard?
Hello? Hi, how are you?
No freaking way, my dude.
Hey!
Tell him to anchor. Tell him to anchor,
Anchor!
man.
Ask
Can
him
you
for an
anchor, please,
obsidian
Beard?
I'd love to. Of course.
We want a screenshot!
It's goddamn.
Roger that.
Oh!
Tell him we're big fans.
Let's anchor too.
Can we have a ship?
Beard, that give us your ship.
Give us your ship, Beard. We're trying to
Wait,
get
are
our
you coming to
friends
me as
on
well?
the
Is this
server.
awkward?
Yeah, we don't need you.
Whatever you want, brother.
Mano.
I'm coming over. Wait, are you coming to me as well? Is this awkward? Oh, here we are.
Whatever you want, brother.
How's it going, guys?
Oh my god.
Hello. Who is this?
Basically nobody, but we're a big fan of yours, Beard.
You are not nobody, sir. Who are you?
Name's Yummy.
You certainly look yummy.
Oh, thank you. You too, sir. Well, that's delicious.
Would you like
Why,
some
thank you very
pork?
much.
Pink colors.
That is a very personal question, ma'am. I'm trying to cut down. It's lovely to meet you guys. You guys can take my loot. I was about to switch servers anyway.
Oh, can we have your ship then?
Yeah, absolutely.
For your
Tell the
ship,
next
yeah.
person you see that you
Oh.
love them.
I love you.
No, I love you more.
We love you too.
No, I love you.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, that's fine. I
how
don't
did you
either. It
know
kind
it
of
was
sucks.
him?
Hey, I'll turn off my
How
main
did you know
screen so I
it
can
was
get you
him?
guys in the game. One sec.
Oh,
God bless you.
whisper to him.
Trying to get
You're
our
welcome.
friends in here as well.
Let me get a
Ah,
screen
no
pick.
worries,
You two,
man.
go beside me.
Oh yeah, coming over.
Go beside so I can get a screen pick.
If you want to type one of your, whoever wants the invite, if you want to type your name in the chat, I'll hook you up. Where's Boxy? In Alabama.
Yeah, I got it, man.
Nice.
Para, Arena,
That's sick.
Cup, nice.
Oh, what an honor, man. Hope you're having a great
Yeah,
day.
Tell him
I absolutely am, my friend. Although it's raining, which kind of sucks, but it's fine.
always watching him, and I'm a fellow Englishman.
Kinda enjoy the rain myself, to be honest.
A leaking wolf.
Yeah.
Right, roger that.
Oh, that's amazing.
Game, invite to game. There you go.
Yes, my friend's plan saying you're a lord. I had to tell him because he's in a party with us, so he can't talk.
Ah, tell him thank you very much. I got some supplies on my
Appreciate
ship.
what you
There's
do,
not. Hey, no worries. Thank you, man. What the hell? Oh, hang on. Sorry, my bad. People are playing Streamloots cards, and I thought for a second that there was a goddamn skeleton ship next to us, but it was someone in my chat being a chuckle, brother. All right, I think Wolf is. I think Wolf's got my sloop now, right?
She might be on her way, yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. Did you guys get the screenshot?
For sure, my dude. Cheers.
No worries. Cheers. That was fun.
Yeah, a guy named Steel's Nightmare should be joining you.
Oh, someone did just join me. Howdy.
Oh, Wolf joined you. Alright.
There we go. All right, enjoy, guys. I'm going to jump
All right,
over to the
man.
next server. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Yeah, you too, man.
Oh, wait, hang on. I have food and stuff.
Pleasure. It's been a pleasure.
Here, let me put this in your barrels for you.
And what did he say? What was he saying to you, Yom?
Oh, he was just saying like, "Hey, I love you guys. You guys can have my shit and all, my ship and all the loot. I'm switching server anyways." That's what he said.
Yeah, I just had to type in his
And we were
shit.
just grazing him pretty much.
Yeah, so he was just like... You just shouted, Beard!
Is that Beardageddon over there? Yeah, I did say on the megaphone. I should have said I'm on the megaphone. Can you hear
Oh
me?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, no, mate.
You
couldn't
stupid
have
son
said
of a
any-
yummy.
I couldn't have said anything anyway. Sorry, I was just looking at that.
No, no
picture and
worries.
that.
I'm kind of eating at the same time as well.
Yeah, I've got.
So
I've got
no
helm,
one's
I've got
sailing
helm.
the ship.
I know. I've got helm if you want to carry on, mate. Barrels there.
Oh,
if
you
you want to jump in,
barrels?
have a look.
I'll see if I can catch one as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, we're just on form since Met Beard.
Yep. We've gotten the power now. Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't playing when you had to get that.
No. Oh, Black's dead.
It wasn't the miss one.
I shot once and I hit him. I got the power of beard, like I can never miss now.
That's
Good
it,
move,
mate.
mate.
Go on, do it.
Oh! They gave Ainsley a nail polish and a haircut.
That's sacrilegious. You shouldn't have done that.
You know what I mean? I said they should have put the bromance sales on.
Yeah, they're disgrace of the LSD
Yeah,
compilation title.
I believe. Yeah, I'm a disgrace to the game. I'll see you later.
He actually did.
So what did this person do?
Yeah,